Alright, we're gonna ride the elevator here at the Dillard's parking garage at Fashion Square Mall. And this is a Montgomery Vector. This is a very old elevator. This is from the 1980s. Let's see, let's go down. So weird. Okay, here it is.
The elevator got stuck.
It did?
Yeah, come in.
This is a death trap. But
yeah. I had to pry the door. I had to pry the door. Look, I got it on video.
You did?
Yeah.
I cannot believe it got stuck.
I got the video on my phone.
Wow.
Let's go back up to 4. Let's see if we get stuck again.
Oh, I hope not. This is a very, not maintained elevator at all.
I got stuck in the elevator. I almost got stuck in the elevator. 1 is burned out, 3 works, 4 works. This elevator. Okay, before we film more, I want to show you the footage.
Okay, well, I want to continue filming. Okay, let's get. I'm gonna continue filming.
I can't believe I got stuck in the elevator. It didn't move.
That is insane.
What the heck is wrong with this thing?
This is epic.
I have to get you this footage from my phone.
Let's get off at 3.
My car's at 4.
Okay, well, I'll end that. You can hear. Should I push 4 for you?
Yeah, go 4.
All right.
Are you getting off at 3?
Yeah, I don't want my camcorder to break. It's still.
And then just come back in and go to 4.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, and it smells like someone smoked in here.
I was gonna film the doors closing.
Do that. This thing's a death trap. But it's fun. I love it.
It's a very old Vector. Well, that was epic, and that will be it.